Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to change cell size. Okay, to change cell size, you can click on these icons. In row, you can click alt and then you can change the size like this. Also in the column, or you can change by specific size. You can select the column, right click, and then choose resize column. So in here I will set like into 200 and you can press enter, apply. Or you can change again in rows, right click, resize row, and I will set into 100, press enter. You also can fit the columns or cells, but like for example, I will type number, and the other in here I will set into example. You can set the margin into center point, and then also in here in center. Now you can double click in column to make it fit this. I will double click again, and then in row you can double click to fit it. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial how to change cell size. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.